If you got new 2023 Honda CR-V, this nice looking manly car, and you were disappointed that it doesn't really sound manly, today we're going to be replacing the horn on this car because the way how it sounds is horrible. If you haven't heard how the new 2023 Honda CR-V sounds, horrible, and you want to sound like that, let's go ahead, hurry up and just get it done. Okay, so it's fairly easy to replace. You just need a horn, and I bought this particular one at my local Advance Auto Part. They sell them over there for like 25 bucks. And you do need a cord. You can actually cut the original wire and splice it, but I figure I'm just gonna do it more professional, I would say. And you just need this wire right here. It costs $8 from collegehillshonda.com. You can order it there. It'll be shipped to you in about a week and you'll get that. You can order this horn as well, but at the time I was trying to get it, it was out of the stock. And this is the model number right there. Now, to get access to your horn, it's actually fairly easy. Just remove all these plastic clips right here, and you'll be able to leave this entire plastic trim, and the horn is literally right there. Alright, so here we go. This is our horn. We're going to be removing this screw right there and the screw right there because it sits on the bracket. Very simple, very easy to replace. Now, if you own a hybrid model like this one, your hybrid model will be equipped with an alert system. Basically, every time you're backing up, this speaker right here, this is where the location of it located, it makes really loud humming noise. Just listen to this. Now, to remove this bolt right here, I'm just going to use 12mm socket with this swivel attachment. I'm not sure why they had to put 1-inch bolt in there. Half of it would be enough, but here we go. This is our horn. Just simply press the button right here on the harness and disconnect it. Okay, so what we got here, we got original OEM horn, which is, it says right there that it's high. It takes 12 volt. I'm not sure what's the 4A, maybe 4 amps, but it's 108 decibel, so it's really high pitch noise horn. Now, to install the new horn, you can either use the bracket that comes with it, which I don't really like it. It's really thin. I'm going to be using this bracket right here, and it takes 10mm socket to remove it, and we're just gonna swap it. Fairly easy, very quick, comes off right away. Like that. We're just going to put our original bracket right over this horn mount. Tie this down right quick. Okay, now we're going to be installing our horn. As you see, it's already connected, and I just want to mention to you, by just installing the same way, you're actually going to have a problem. You see how the wires connectors right here, those little terminals are sticking out. You have a plastic trim that we're going to be putting back, and they're just going to be on its way. So for you to actually get away with this, you either can bend the terminals, which you can have a problem with breaking them. We're going to be removing this plastic piece right here that actually holds your bracket. I'm just going to be breaking this off. That way you'll be able to mount this bracket this horn a little bit lower into the frame. That way your connectors will be sitting overall under trim, plastic trim, without touching it, just like that. Now you just simply plug this connector, this little harness, back into original. Make sure it clicks. You can just simply leave your little two wires like that. It's not going to touch the plastic trim. And this is it. It's all done. Let's go ahead, put the cover back, and we're good to go. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and as always, thank you for watching.